gang. Didn't know you'd be visiting so early. I'm still in my evil pajamas. They've got a trapdoor in the back.
What's he doing here?
We have a truce. Tails is letting him stay here till his lair is rebuilt.
Ham, still waiting on that salmon eggs Benedict.
Coming.
I asked for egg whites. These are yellows. See the yellow? I'm trying to watch my cholesterol. And this salmon is farm-raised. What is this, prison?
It's all some evil plot, man. First he lures us in with some terrible roommate ploy, but then wham! Out comes this 50-foot obliterator bot that obliterates us all. We gotta get out of here.
Guys, we have to help him. If we don't, we'll be no better than he is.
Yeah, you'll be no better than I am.
Think about how this is for him. Do you feel scared without a home? Do you feel alone? Are you eating your feelings?
Somebody get her away from me.
Guys, if Eggman needs to stay, he can stay. Who knows? He might not be so bad after all.
Hello, guys!